In order to work with text renders in Unreal Engine 5, we have to right-click and create a blueprint class. Name it an actor, and let's call this one text. Open this one up, and I'd like to drag my window right here. We're going to add a text render. So click add and then text render. Name it anything you like. And this is the text render right here. So when we hit compile, we can already drag this into our game. So now we can see it is small and it is turned. So how do I fix this? Very easily. When you select the rotation, we have to rotate it 180 degrees. So you can see the amount of degrees right here. When I now hit compile, you see the direction is fixed for my game right here. Or I could also turn this one here, but I like to do this in here. So go around to the other side. Now, inside of this text, we can name this anything we want. For example, when we want to give game instructions, something like rescue the princess, for example. We can also scale this one up a bit. Something like this should do. Or we can also get the X and the Y axis right here. And now when I hit compile, I can see this in my game. So you can actually drag this anywhere you would like. For example, on the stairs right here. And we can also change the color. We can also change how the color is seen. So this box right here is the color we will see inside of the game. So let's choose something like dark red or something. And then you can change the values right here. The ones here below we don't really need for this example. So mostly I change the rotation or the scale. Then the font and the scale here. Or you can add the world size. And then hit compile. And right now in our game, the text render is right here, rescue the princess. We can walk right through it and it has some nice effect. This is how you work with text renders in Unreal Engine 5.